Hi guys! Welcome to my channel. It's me, Yoshit TV. We're going to Fresh Meadows Park. So come and join us. Let's go! Yes! Yahoo! We're going to the park. Yay!
Right onto Junction Boulevard.
Yes. Nag-stop sila. Uy, naman! Loko! May hawak pa. Huli ka, balbon. Buli na yun sa pagtaon dito. Ay, loko talaga to. Dito.
Aba, feeling matangkad. As if naman. Eh di wow, feeling matangkad. Ang height mo, girl.
Sundan namin yung bike.
Sige, sundan na natin. Bilisan mo, bilisan mo.
These nuts.
Yeah!
Alam kong paakyat niya. Woohoo!
Oh shit! Oh shit! Oh no! Oh! 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 Oh!
Oh, anong ginagawa mo? Ano?
Hoy! Hala!
Anong ginagawa mo?
Ayoko!
Do it!
Ba't ka pa tumitigil? Tutuwad ka lang.
Tutuwad ako.
Ano ginagawa mo? Ano ginagawa mo, girl? Bibelo ka? Ano ginagawa mo? Ha? Ganun din yung kanalabasan. Ganun pa rin. Uy. Hindi mo kailangan mag-throttle. Gawin mo na lang skateboard. Anong hell? Alalay ka lang sa preno, ah. Ala. Grabe siya, oh.
Ay! Yahoo! Okay. Hey, we're here, guys. Achieve.
Turn left to stay on Meadow Drive, then turn right.
Saan? Nasaan? Lalaro na.
Turn left onto Meadow Park Circle, then turn left.
Nang?
Okay ka?
Hindi. Saan ba?
Ayan, oh. Katapat mo na, oh.
Ah, ito. Oh, no! Hello. Say hi to her. Ang cute!
Your destination is on the right.
Yay! Destination's here. Yan. So cute. Good weather. Today is Saturday.
Oh, 1, 2, 3, go.
Paano mo binano? Paano? akyat. I-TikTok ba ako naggaganto?
Pupunta ka doon sa gilid. Gagamitin mo itong palakol, hindi ba sa akin ha?
Palakol?
Oo. Bata, buti pa yung bata. Next pa ako ng bata. Sige na yun. Go, push. Go, 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 go. Go.
Iya.
Yeah. Wala na yung bata. Wala. Okay ka lang? Are you right? Are you right? Do you need help? Okay, I gotta help you out. Alright, let's go, let's go. Yeah. Here we go. Okay. Yeah. Here we go. Yeah. Bye. You're welcome. You're welcome. Okay na? Siguro.
Bakit walang music?
Ewan ko sa'yo.
These nuts.
Lalagay ka na? Okay na.
These nuts.
Pwede tayo mag-stop dito? Ha? Pwede tayo magsayaw dito?
1, 2, 3, go.
Okay na?
These nuts.
Push.
Dito tayo? Dito tayo dyan? Wala lang.
Give me one question. How much is this one you want?
Oh, this one is 850. Nawala yung mask ko.
Ha?
Nawala yung mask ko.
Seryoso?
Oo, napansin ko na lang. Wala na. Kasi di ba namin Okay, let's find my mask.
A few moments later.
Akala ko nasa likod kita. Eh, maliit na bridge lang to. Ba't nandyan to? Ah!
Turn left onto Justice Avenue, then your destination will be on the
May
right.
kotse.
Alam mo, nandun na tayo.
You guys bought it like that?
Huh?
Bought the scooters like that?
Like,
We just put this one. Yeah.
No, when I say bought it, like the pack
they're back, yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah,
phone holder comes with it?
yeah.
The range is can be 40.
40. Yeah.
A few moments later.
As usual, meron na naman po siyang bag. Please. Oh, you have have other flowers, no, plants here. How about this?
You know? I kind of like
Yes, I'm here, my friend. This one I'm working with, like the
Ha? Isa nito. Ito. Ay, ito oh.
Dito ka lang? Punta lang ang bangko?
Okay, ito. Gusto ko. Okay.
Oh,
How much did you pay?
this one's 850 plus shipping, almost 1,000. Almost.
Can I take a picture?
Yeah, sure.
The lazy me is your channel?
No, it's not my channel. That's her.
Oh, she has a lot of. You can see the.
It's a famous?
Now she has unboxing too. That one.
Yeah.
Oh, she unboxed that one.
Yeah, this one. That's me. You can subscribe to my channel, then check all my Cabo Mantis.
Oh, okay,
Yeah.
okay. Good.
We
Okay,
know
nice to
sorry
see
to
you.
say my son.
Yeah.
We meet him on YouTube.
Hi guys, thank you for watching us. Please like, subscribe to my channel, and hit the bell button, share it, and leave a comment down below. It's me, Yoshi TV. I'll see you again on my next vlog. And we're home. Bye.